When we look at the rhombus, same thing. Let's look. We have equal sides. I know it's hard to tell because I stink at drawing, but we do have equal sides. Okay? They're the same length. The sides are the same length. Now let's look at parallel. Here's one set of parallel lines. Can you see them once I do that? And then we have another set of parallel lines. Can you see them? So we have two sets of parallel sides. Check out the angles. Are they 90 degrees? They're not, okay? They're not actually 90-degree angles. They are smaller than that here, okay? They're too small. We do not have 90-degree angles in our rhombus. Try to remember that one. Shine bright like a rhombus. Another, I love the name of this one. I'm going to go down here so my pen works. Do you notice a root word in here? I hope you do. Okay, parallel. This one I love. You don't need to have sides that are the same length. You don't need 90-degree angles. You do need two sets of parallel sides. Okay, two sets of parallel sides. Hopefully you can squeeze that in there. I know I'm getting close to the edge. When I look at that one, a parallelogram, I'm going to go, let's see, this and this are parallel, and this. If you can see that, parallel and parallel. Let me check and make sure I'm still fitting in there. All right, now we have one last quadrilateral. Remember, all of these are shapes that have four sides. Quadrilaterals have four sides, have four sides. The last one, honestly, I remember this one by, ooh, I didn't mean to erase anything there. It's called a trapezoid. Not too many words have a Z stuck right in the middle of them like that. I remember that one by thinking of the Pizza Hut roof. It also has a Z. When you think about that, see, we've got two sets parallel, two sets parallel, two sets parallel, two sets parallel. A trapezoid just has one set of parallel sides. Can you see that in there? Here's my set of parallel sides here. Polygons is just a word for a closed figure that has three or more sides. Three-sided figures, triangles. This is particularly our four-sided figures. And four-sided figures are called quadrilaterals. Have four sides, have four sides. I know this is tons of information. You have to start remembering how to identify these five shapes, these five quadrilaterals. You have to start remembering which ones have equal sides, which ones have parallel sides, how many sets of parallel sides, and which ones have right angles. If you look at that, squares have four right angles, rectangles have four right angles. If you look at equal sides, squares and rhombus have equal sides. And then when you look at two parallel sides, two parallel sides, two parallel sides, two parallel sides. Pretty much everybody but the trapezoid, they've got two sets of parallel sides. I know it's a lot of information. That's why your vocabulary cards are in that baggie, and that's why you can practice, quizzing yourself on these words.